information. Nobody is safe until these county employees are, number one, fired, charged with child endangerment, and removed from their positions. Children and youth across Pennsylvania and, of course, across the nation, they were established to protect children, to protect families, and only in imminent danger situations where there's physical abuse to have that power to remove children, but not because of motive, not as punishment, and not as retaliation. And there is no family in Dauphin County whose children are safe, who the parents are safe, until we have the correct employees in those positions that are going to follow the law and be honest. So,
and they do tend to target the lower poverty families.
That's important.
The lower poverty families do not have the correct education
and resources
to fight them,
absolutely,
or to even stick up for themselves.
Wow. So
yeah, well, that's the other thing I was going to mention too, that most of the victims they target, because I've gone through the whole foster care system and seen them terminate parental rights of parents from the foster care side, they don't have a say. The family courts will not let the parents speak up. If you try to submit physical evidence, it's very, very difficult to get it through the court. The other thing, I mean, most of these, low poverty or poverty individuals, they don't have a higher education. They can't get into, they can't file their own lawsuits. You really need to have that legal education to get anywhere. And there's no attorneys that will go up against the county or up against the state.
Wow.
People are afraid of Dauphin County children and youth. People are afraid across Pennsylvania. I mean, this is happening in Adams County. We know that Iris Mummert, a 15-month-old baby, was killed after she was put back with the mother. Those people were charged with child endangerment. But in this case, they concealed it. When deaths happened, did you hear about Jared Tutko in Dauphin County? The 9-year-old boy that was rotting on the second floor? Yeah, that happened in 2015. Do you think that they were penalized? No.
Wow.
Only the parents went to jail. What about the county officials that knew about the family? How many people do you think spoke up about that kid prior to that happening?
Wow.
They conceal it.
Wow. So,
It's
okay,
horrific.
that is horrific. So I know that people watching will want to know how to get involved with your group. So if somebody wants to get involved, in addition to your Facebook page or your Facebook group, is there a way that they can reach out?